I beg you, open me guide them, Father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, come me heart to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a hair company called UNice hair. This is their BETTYOU series. I'll put the information right here, but this is their 13x6 water wave lace front human hair wig. It is 150% density, 100% Brazilian virgin human hair wavy wig, pre-plucked with baby hair, natural color, and it is 16 inches. Yes, it is from Amazon. Y'all know I love Amazon. So it comes in this box, and when you open it, you get a pair of lashes and the wig. Take this wig out. Okay, take the nuts off. This is a water wave texture. Oh, it is so nice. I love this. It is really full. Okay, since my lighting is messing up, every time I hold up this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wig on the mannequin head, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about it. I want you to see the cap construction. It is a 13x6, so it has all of this parting space. It has 2 clips on the side and 1 clip in the back with adjustable straps. It has a lace piece here, and this little lace piece, it has like little invisible wefts, so you can pull it up in a ponytail. All right, so let me go ahead and put it on my mannequin head. I love how I love the texture of it. It's like it's not so silky like most virgin hair. It's more of like, I don't know how to explain it. This is gonna be cute. Okay, and let's get into this hairline. It is pre-plucked with baby hair, so it is beginner friendly. You won't have to pluck any baby hairs yourself. You won't have to cut them. You probably can cut these little shorter, but you know what I'm saying. Okay, that wig is so pretty. Let's get into the details. Okay, so once again, the wig is from UNice hair, their BETTYOU series. And the length that I got was 16 inches. And the 16-inch wig is only $116. So a little bit over 100, and since you bought the slay. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Shout out to UNice hair for sending me this wig, and shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.